25 years ago, one silver car changed Aston Martin forever. They just built 50 more, and buried a secret in almost every single one. You don't slap on a wing. You don't chase a faster lap time. When your most legendary supercar turns 25, you call in the one division at Aston Martin that exists purely to make rich people's dreams weirder and better. This is the Vanquish 25, and it might be the most quietly savage birthday present in automotive history. Rewind to 2001, Geneva Motor Show. A silver, Ian Callum-designed coupe rolls onto the stage and basically invents modern Aston Martin. Front-engined, V12, pure theater. That car was the original Vanquish, and it never really left. It evolved. It got faster. It became the brand's halo car, generation after generation. Now, 25 years later, Aston is throwing at the kind of party only the ultra-wealthy get invited to. Just 50 of these will ever exist. Not 50 as a rounding error, exactly 50. 25 coupes, 25 convertibles, which Aston calls the Volante. Built by Q, Aston Martin's in-house bespoke division, the team that exists to say yes to things a normal factory would say absolutely not to. And here's the twist. Q didn't touch the engine. Didn't touch the chassis. This isn't a power upgrade. This is a time machine. Every single Vanquish 25 wears one paint color and one paint color only. Q Skye Silver, a direct callback to that original silver show car that stole Geneva 25 years ago. Then the details start stacking up like Easter eggs for people who actually know what they're looking at. Metal foil script running along the sills. Shield vanes finished by hand. Stainless steel side strakes. A custom exhaust finisher. Forged 21-inch wheels with a subtle V worked into the design because even the wheels needed a signature. Step inside and it gets personal. Embroidered Vanquish 25 logos stitched into the seatbacks. Laser-etched trim. A blood-red start-stop button sitting dead center, wrapped in bespoke rotary switchgear, finished in satin silver, a tiny tribute to the original car's cabin hiding in plain sight. A black Alcantara headliner overhead. Diamond-quilted leather that echoes a pattern from 2 decades ago, brought back on purpose. 3 interior themes. 3 ways to make the exact same statement. Now here's why nobody's actually mad the engine didn't change. Under that long hood, a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12. Over 800 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Top speed, 214 miles per hour. Let that sink in. In an era where V12 engines are getting phased out across the entire industry, where turbocharged 6s and electric motors are taking over, Aston just built a silver, hand-finished, 50-unit love letter to the 12-cylinder engine. On purpose. Right now. It's debuting at Monterey Car Week in August, in front of the exact crowd of collectors who will fight over these 50 build slots. Deliveries start before the year is out. And reportedly, you're looking at somewhere around $600,000 for the coupe. Even more for the Volante. 50 cars. 25 years. 1 color. 0 compromises. The Vanquish 25 isn't trying to be the future of Aston Martin. It's making sure nobody forgets the past that got them here. So coupe or Volante? Would you take the V12 goodbye tour or wait for whatever comes next? Drop your pick in the comments. And subscribe because Aston Martin's next move is going to be a very different story.